Hi, this is Ron with Northern Sky Lighting. I'm going to do a demo on how to auto-configure multiple NDBs out there on a network. So in a lot of cases, you're limited to having to log in and manually set a lot of settings in order to control lights. So in this case, I'm going to speak directly out from the network port, and that's running to a network switch. That network switch in turn goes to a pair of NDBs. Now the NDBs right now, they were actually configured for something else, but I just went ahead and hooked them up to this actually grid here so I can actually show the process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into operating mode. I'm going to utilities. I'm going to enter, and I'm going to select auto config NDBs. So controller 1 means the network effects controller. We're only using one. Total strings, well, on the grid there I have 32 total strings. There's already 52 lights per string, and outputs per NDB I'm going to use 16. T's, that's smart T's that are out there, we'll discuss those in this later, but for right now we're not going to really go into it. And I'm going to auto config. Now it's out there looking around on the network and it's searching to see if there are any network effects controllers out there. So it found both of them. So what we'll do now is we're going to enter it. We're going to pick NDB 1. So you'll see the right half lit white, but I want the other half. That's the half that I want NDB number 1. That's where I want it to be. So I'm going to select it and it'll shift to blue. So now I'm going to pick the next NDB. So I'll do the same process. The red shifted to white. I'll enter it. It shifted to blue. Now I'm going to finalize the configuration. And now I'm going to it's still in operating mode, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to jump into effects player. And there we go. So it immediately, and it knows that the order of the light strings, it knows the order of channels, it knows the order of ports. So I actually just found it and selected it, told it what data would go out those ports, and let's see, in the effects player, and then you'll be able to see it put these effects, and it simply put all the lights kind of in the order that you'd like them to be in for you. So that's a real quick demo on how to auto configure. If you have any other questions on auto configuration, please see our other videos. And one other thing I kind of like to suggest, we'll jump back out into the menu here, go back to main menu, and if you do anything, often save. All you can do is simply push. So I saved it. So if I go and accidentally unplug it, or I lose something, or it'll come up, it'll kick right back on, and all of my changes are saved. So I typically suggest always save every 5 minutes or so if you can. It's just a quick, simple button, quick click there of a button, and you might save yourself a lot of time down the road. Well, thanks again for watching, and again, if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out, let us know, or look around in our other videos. Have a great day.